Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of homepage. On the application of Hacoo app, you will click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about the application of Hacoo app and you will click. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we click on storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your